Welcome to Rajasasila Holistics. Today in the law of attraction, the final phase I am going to teach you. I think a small recoup I will tell you that law of attraction is the very greatest law in the universe to attract and manifest things. In this you have to eliminate your negative feelings and have positive feelings that you can manifest things. And second thing, you have to clear your space, your mind, body and soul, and protect your aura during this session. This has to be done every day. And third thing I have taught you is that you have to be in the state that you have achieved it. Now the final stage, how actually you will be doing the law of attraction process. For this you need a quiet place where you can sit and do the law of attraction manifestation. Take a paper and write whatever you want to manifest. Don't overdo, like jumbling too many problems in one go. Take one by one which you feel the most important one. Take that problem which you want to solve, or take that topic which you want to manifest, either of it, and sit in a quiet place where you can focus and concentrate on yourself and the manifestation process, and sit and write what actually you need. Write it in the positive and affirmative sense, that tense, that I have achieved so and so on this day. You write it clearly without any negative points. Don't say that I am not having this, or I want this, or not in that way. Just you write that I have achieved this and I am very happy about it and I thank the universe for it. So you will be writing that and put your signature there, and when you finish off and keep the pen aside, at that second, at that moment, think that you have achieved it. That's it. If you are going to be in that state of happiness, even initially for even 5 to 10 seconds is enough. Slowly you will gather that feeling and you can take up to 5 minutes, 10 minutes. It's up to you. However your capacity allows it to you. This is the process which many people have got it, and this is the easiest way of manifesting things. They do this for 45 days to 90 days according to your problem. This is the way of manifesting, guys, that I have taught you. So now I want to tell you, some people are as such that they don't have the inner capacity for manifesting things through law of attraction. For them, I am going, from next week I am going to teach how to manifest through vision board. That is also equally very powerful thing, but for that you don't need the inner capacity or to meditate and all. For some people who find it difficult, for them that will be very good. Or if you want to do both simultaneously, that also you can do to manifold the power of the law of attraction. So quickly we will go into the readings. Let's check the energies for Sagittarians this week. If you have not subscribed our channel, kindly subscribe. In the health context, you have got Queen of Pentacles. Career and business, you have got the Hermit. Relationship, you have got 8 of Wands. And this week I am taking the card Universe message of what the message the universe sends to you. My love is limitless. In the health context, Queen of Pentacles is a great card to get. That this card says that you will nourish your body very well. Your mind, body and soul will be in synchronicity and you will enjoy good health. Any health issues also will be taken care and you will bounce back to health 90% positivity. In career and finances, the Hermit card says some recent past setbacks have made you to move away from the place. You want to have some quiet time for yourself. You want to take a break. But the universe says that no, you need to put your wisdom there, and in the past also you have undergone many things which made you feel hopeless. But the thing is, really the thing is not that hopeless as you think. think bright light is there ahead, so you can bounce back to your original position with your wise decision. That's what this card says. We can give 50% positivity. And in relationship, you have got 8 of Wands. This is a very great card to get in relationship. Love is coming in your way. If you are single, you may meet someone new in your life which will turn your life pattern, your way of life, everything can change. And for committed relations who are having, for them changes are coming. Love is there. Changes in your attitude and in your both of your feelings, lot of changes will come which will make you to bounce back to good relationship. That's what this card says. But you need to be very focused, otherwise sometimes alternatively we can say that situations will change in such a fast phase. Sometimes you are not able to accept it. In that case, some verbal disputes may also take place, so take care of your words. That's what this card says. 70% positivity. In the universe card, there are the more love I allow to flow out from me, the more there is within me, and the more I receive. My love is limitless. This card says more love is there. If you allow love to flow into you, you incalculate unconditional love in you, love will flow into you limitless. That's what this card says. So the love in you is limitless. That is the slogan you have to make, that unconditional love should come in you, so that you accept good love in your life and make that you feel yourself that my love is limitless. Limitless in sense that I will love a certain person or certain thing only for that reason. That is conditional love, that you have to forego and accept unconditional love. Whatever be the situation, I still love. That is the limitless love. If you incalculate that feeling in you, you will get more. Let's see what the Strictomancy has to say. Strictomancy says all that mankind has ever learned is nothing more than a single grain of sand on the beach that reaches to infinity. Whatever you learn out of in this life, your knowledge, everything, before the infinity, before the God's knowledge, it is only a small grain that you have learned all these days. So life is a period of learning, so be learning, guys.